Hi food lovers, I'm Tommy, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make a traditional recipe from Italian cuisine. We're gonna make spaghetti aglio e olio, which means garlic and extra virgin olive oil. Spaghetti aglio e olio is made with only 3 ingredients: garlic, extra virgin olive oil and fresh parsley. In some case you can add chili if you like it. And that's all you can add to this recipe. According to the traditional recipe, cheese should not be added. Today I'm gonna show you how to make aglio e olio in 2 different ways. I'm gonna use the same ingredients, but the first one is going to be more traditional with sliced garlic in extra virgin olive oil and finely chopped parsley. And the second one is going to be more delicate. It's going to be like creamy version of aglio e olio with no added cream, of course. Okay, let's get started. First, put a large amount of water in a pot and put it on the stove at maximum temperature to boil. Always put salt in the water before you add the pasta in. Then prepare the remaining ingredients. Measure 50 ml of olive oil, chop 2 cloves of garlic and finely chop 10 grams of fresh parsley. So after the water boils, put 125 grams of spaghetti. That will be enough for 1 serving. Always cook the pasta al dente, actually 3 minutes less than it says on the package. The most important thing about this recipe is not to start frying the garlic too early, because the garlic only needs to soften in the olive oil to release the aromas. So be careful not to burn it. So 2 minutes before the pasta is ready, put the pan on the stove at medium heat and add the olive in. After it heats up a bit, add the garlic in and add it a little bit of pasta water. That will prevent the garlic from burning. Then add the cooked pasta, mix it and add the chopped parsley. Mix it again and add a little bit more of olive oil and that's it. Okay, it's done. You see how easy it is? Okay, This is the traditional way how to make spaghetti aglio olio. Now let's make the other one. Same dish, same ingredients, but in my way. Okay, let's get started. Put a large amount of water in a pot and put it on the stove at maximum temperature to boil. Then put some water in a small pot and put it on the stove at maximum temperature to boil. Once it boils, add 2 cloves of garlic and cook them for about 3 minutes. This process releases the aggressivity from the garlic. After it boils, add salt and put 225 grams of spaghetti. Then take out the garlic and pour the water, because at the end we will combine the sauce with the pasta in the same pot. Now look at how easy it is to make the sauce. Put 10 grams of fresh parsley, the garlic, 50 milliliters of olive oil, and a little bit of a pasta water in a deep glass and mash it with a grater. Look, we have a wonderful cream for our pasta. Then transfer the sauce in the pot, and when the pasta is ready, add it inside and combine it with the sauce. Mix well and the perfect creamy version of aglio olio is ready. And this is my creamy version of aglio olio. Let's serve this on a plate. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. And don't forget, good food is good mood.